Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to hide TikTok account from friends. We start by entering our profile. Next, we open the top drop-down menu and then click on Settings and Privacy. After that, click on Privacy, and then on Suggest your account to others. Finally, we can deactivate the options that appear to prevent your account from being recommended to other contacts. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.